this one formula. X minus a n is equal to x minus a n and the heavy side x minus a for n large equal to 0. Okay? So this is a general equation. And let's see the derivative. d dx x minus a n. Okay, n this is equal to, just like derivative, n x minus a n minus 1. Okay, but that's for n not equal to 0. If n to 0, or yeah, that'll be another thing. We'll specially discuss about this. Okay, but for n not equal to 0, we have this formula. So n also can be negative, minus 1 or minus 2. Okay. Then, so what we have for n equal to 1, that means d dx x minus a 1 is equal to x minus a 0. Okay. So what's x minus a 0? That means heavy side x minus a. Yeah, we define this. Why? It can be proved. It can be proved. Okay. Let me show this briefly. d dx x minus a 1. Now in d dx x minus a, heavy side x minus a, right? Right? x1 is equal to 1 with this general formula, right? Then we just do the derivative. So that will be d dx x minus a times heavy side x minus a plus x minus a times d dx heavy side x minus a. Yeah, for the general. And this is equal to 1. Right? 1 times sine x minus a plus x minus a. This will be delta x minus a. Right. This will be what? This will be a minus a, right? So this answer is a sine. Right. Now let's see for n equal to 0. So how about the d dx x minus a 0 equal to what? This is equal to d dx any sine x minus a is equal to delta function x. And we define this as we define d dx x minus a 0 equal to x minus a minus 1. Okay, it's very special. Minus 1 is equal to delta x minus a is equal to 0 for x larger than a and x smaller than a, and equal to infinity for x equal to a. This term is for x not equal to a, this term is 0. So this whole term is 0. Okay? Right. And for x equal to a, this is infinitive, but this is 0, so it's still 0. Okay? 0 times infinity is still 0. Okay? So who is powerful? 0 or infinity? Who is powerful? Since 0 is powerful, huh? 0 times infinity is equal to 0, not nothing. So infinity in the universe probably 0, because 0, most power 0. You cannot quantitate. Infinity is still infinity, but 0 is interesting. Okay, but in Chinese culture, 道家 we say 无 nothing. Nothing is very interesting. Okay? So when x equal to a, this infinity, right? And this equal to 0, still 0. For x not equal to a, this are 0. This is not 0, but 0. Okay? So that's why the derivative of this first derivative is heavy side. Okay. So let's keep in mind x minus a 0 is heavy side. X minus a infinity minus 1 is delta. Okay, and the derivative of x minus a 1 is equal to this side. This is equal to this. The dx is but this is equal to this. And the minus, so the 0 is heavy side, minus 1 is delta. So keep in mind this too. Right? Then with this formula, say n can be anything but not 0. So let's try n equal to minus 1. So d dx x minus a minus 1. Okay. That will be a conform as minus x minus a minus 2, right? But this also will be d dx. As I said, this is a delta function x minus a for minus a. Okay? And this will be d dx about the function a. Okay? And this will be what I said is 0 positive and this one. And okay, so x minus a minus 2 equal to, this is equal to this one. So this will be like positive. So there will be this a, and this will be here, right? So there will be negative, positive. Sorry. Negative sign. See, negative is equal to that figure. So positive will be. See what I mean? This is a negative of this one. Okay. So this derivative, this is the integration. Right? So this formula is very important for when you make the n equal to 0. N equal to 0, be careful. Okay? Now let's do the integration. Integration 0 to x, x minus a n minus 1 dx is equal to 1 over n, x plus a n. Okay, and this is for n not equal to 0. This is another formula. When you do integration about these terms, okay, it's just like integration, okay, plus 1 and divided by the plus, okay, and it's plus 1. That's for n not equal to 0. So let's see what we have. So for n equal to 1, there will be integration of 0x x minus a 0 dx. This will be like